Hello everyone. This is our project for for mechanics of machines, EMM 3524, and our group is 5E. And I will be Hassan Hassam, and my matric number is 195569. And we have Jivan and Juliana and Muhammad Arif and Shamimi Fathiya. And today we have picked the basket group. So let's start. So.
Okay, excellent.
As for the introduction, gyroscope devices are primary units for navigation and control system. For main, gyroscope devices are primary units for navigation and control system. The main property of the gyroscope device is maintaining the axis of spinning rotor, for which mathematical models have been formulated on the law of kinetic energy conservation and the changes in the angular momentum. However, the recent investigations have demonstrated that gyroscopes have four inertial forces interdependently and simultaneously acting on them. These forces are the internal kinetic energies generated by the mass elements and center mass of the spinning rotor and represented by centrifugal. Carries and common inertial forces as well as changes in angular momentum. So now we will continue to, we'll move on to the mechanism.
Okay,
thanks guys.
Okay, thank you, Gassan. Do you guys can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I will continue for design. So this is the drawing for design 3D model for our project. So the first figure is for the small basket, which is inside the gyroscope, and the second one is big basket, the outer basket gyroscope, and next figure 3 is show that the middle of the gyroscope that will rotate the small gyroscope and the small bowl and the big bowl. Okay, so the fourth figure is the drawing for handle. There's dimension for the handle also, and this is the Katia model that we construct by using Katia B5R21. So after we do the 5 part of this, we assemble it like this. So this is our project that we using Katia. So I think that's all for design. I will pass to Jivan for mechanism.
Okay, for the mechanism, you just need to understand what is the purpose of the basket. Before this, our usually can see in our home that our moms usually wash the food items, and they usually use the traditional method, which they will take a basket and put the with water and put the food items. And after they have washed it, they will fill the basket so that all the water can be dried out. And during this kind of process, the food item may fall into the sink as we just normal thing. But purpose of these baskets purpose is to avoid that kind of scenario. And I would like to explain how the basket is actually working. First, the small bowl of the basket will be filled with the food items, and after the food items have been filled, and the water can be filled in the basket. The big bowl of the basket is in a vertical position, and after the washing, all the kind of things has been done, the big bowl can be filled horizontally, as you can see in the besides figure. The water can be flowed, stagnant water can be flow out of the small hole through the holes. The holes of the holes has been given very tiny, so that any kind of food doesn't fit through. And after all the water has been flowed out, the food items will dry when moving on to the next slide.
Okay. This basket gyroscope has its advantages and disadvantages. The firstly, I will explain the advantages. Okay, the first one is easily to use because we only need one kitchen tools to wash and remove the water, and the second one is the faster. The third one is reduce waste food because at the small bowl they have a tiny hole that only remove the water, not the food, and then it will prevent clog sink. Okay, next is the disadvantages. Okay, the disadvantages of this basket gyroscope is the limited capacity, which is it only comes with 2 or 3 design, and the higher is and the price is higher than the regular or normal basket at that we usually have in our kitchen. Okay, so the next slide, I will pass to Alif.
Yeah, as for the conclusion from this project, we can see that Gyroscope has many applications that can be used in everyday life, as well as kitchen tools that we are doing for this project. The basket gyroscope is one of good new innovations produced to make it easier to watch foods or vegetables in the kitchen. This kitchen tool has the concept of a gyroscope, which is a large bowl as the gyroscope frame, and the middle ring that serve as a gimbal that allows the mesh to navigate freely. Okay, that's all for conclusion for this project.